The first thing you want to do is find an image. Today I'm going to do a dream catcher, so I'm going to search dream catcher PNGs. I'm going to click for images. And you always want to make sure it's black and white and that it's a large image. So I'm going to go to tools. We're going to change the size so that it saves it for a larger size for you. Okay, these are the ones that came up, so I'm kind of going to go through them. I like this one, so I'm going to click on this one. There is wording at the bottom, but we'll get rid of that later. I'll show you how. You're going to right click and you're going to save the image. You're going to save it to the desktop. Once you have it saved there, you can get out of there. You are going to right click the image. You're going to open it. I'm going to open it in Paint, since everyone seems to have Paint. We're going to, you want to make sure that you mirror. You want to make sure you mirror the image, so we're going to flip it, and now we have the image mirrored. You also want to make sure that you're printing a large image, so we're going to go to page setup, and you can see here that this is all it's going to print on. So we're going to click this to portrait. You're going to get the full page image on here. So we're going to click OK. Then we're going to go to the printer again. You're going to print. You want to make sure that you select your printer and that you change the preferences to the size should be A4. You want to use the multi-purpose tray, and you want to use label 2 for the weight. And you're going to click OK, and you're ready to print. So we're going to hit print. We're going to go over, we're going to put the paper in the printer. You're going to put it shiny side up. You're going to insert it into the printer. Down. You're going to see how easy this is to use. From start to finish, it probably takes about 5 minutes. Here comes the image, and as you can see, it's a full page, and it came out really nice. So now we're going to take it over to the press, and you want to have your press set at 300 degrees. I'm going to show you that you can just remove the lettering that you don't want to transfer onto the shirt. So we're going to cut that off. Whoops. And now you're going to put this image side down. Make sure that you got it out. Once the press is done, you're going to wave this a couple times. Pull it from the corner. Make sure you stay low to the garment. You don't want to pull it up and away. And there you have it printed with the black from the laser jet. You're then going to take your foil piece, which we're going to use this rainbow-like one. You want to make sure you cover all the parts of the image. I probably could have used a smaller sheet. You're going to put parchment paper over this, and you're going to press this for 10 seconds. Once it's done, you're going to want to peel the foil at a cold peel. So as you can see here, your image is already taking to the foil on there. So you want to let this cool down. And I'm going to use the cooling block. Cool this down a little quicker. Once you get it cooled all the way down, you can peel this off. See how your image is already showing through there. Okay, and then you're going to take the foil and you're just going to pull it away. And the foil only sticks to the image that you printed. Your last step is that you want to make sure that it's embedded into the shirt. So you're going to take a piece of parchment paper and you're going to press it down again. You're going to press it for about 20 to 30 seconds and sell for $50. It's done. Take your parchment paper off. And if you look close, you can see how the fibers of the shirt are now coming through the image. Now you have an awesome full colored shirt with no weeding.